Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. I am here to discuss the solutions of exercise 5.4 of class 10 today. So let's begin the session. Question number 1 of 5.4 we have already discussed in the earlier class, and let's begin with question number 2. So find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay, so you need to find the value of k so that they have two equal roots. Now we have learned about quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? If you want to find the roots of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and if you want to find the roots of the quadratic equation, then you can use the quadratic formula, which is nothing but minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And also in the very first question, we have discussed about nature of roots, and there I explained you very clearly that nature of roots depends on this value b square minus 4c, which is under the root, and this we are calling it as discriminant. And discriminant, if discriminant is greater than 0, I told you you will have two real and distinct roots. And if this discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, we discussed that you will have equal roots. And if this discriminant b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, we have concluded that you will have no real roots. Now the derivation part of this I have already explained you in the earlier videos. If you have missed watching, then don't forget to watch exercise 5.4, the very first question video. Okay, so let's proceed here now. So here in the question, you need to find the value of k where the roots are equal. Okay, it has two equal roots. Equal roots means this is the discriminant value you can take. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So we are going to use this concept here. Now the very first question, it is given 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Now discriminant equal to 0, you will take, firstly take what is a value. A is nothing but x square coefficient, which is 2. B is x coefficient k, and c is the constant 3. Now b square minus 4ac is nothing but k square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 3. So this is equal to 0. Since the roots are equal, okay, since the roots are equal, so your discriminant will be equal to 0. Clear? So b square minus 4 is equal to 0. B square, b is k, so k square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 3. So k square, this implies k square minus, so this is 4, 2 times 8, 8 3 is a 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to, you will get 24, or k equal to, let's take a square root, you will get it as root 24. Or you can write it as plus or minus root 24. So this is plus or minus root 24. Now I can further write it as 6 4s are 24. So k is equal to plus or minus, I can write this as root 6 into root 4. Root over ab is root a into root b. So all this is simple calculation now. So k is equal to plus or minus. Now root 4 is nothing but 2, and root 6, you can directly take it in this way. So k value is nothing but plus or minus 2 root 6. So when the roots are equal, you can directly equate the discriminant to 0. Find what is a, b, c value from the question, substitute it. Right? So this is how we solve this question number 2. Now, yes, before moving on to the next solution, let me tell you, there is a huge special offer right now on Unacademy. So you can get huge discounts now. It is valid from 18th September mid-noon. So from today, this offer has come into existence. So let me tell you about this offer. So if you're taking a plus or a iconic subscription, if you're going for a 9-month subscription, the price already you get 10% discount, and above that we are giving you extra 5% discount. And if you want to go for a 12-month subscription or above that, you will get 10 plus 10 20% discount. So if it is a 9 month wala subscription, you'll get a 15% discount. If it is a 12-month wala subscription, you'll get a 20% discount on whole. Okay, which means you will save huge amount, 25,000 per year. Okay, so let me also tell you the prices. If you're going for a plus subscription where you get unlimited classes from all the educators and unlimited test and practice you will have. So there the price, if you're going for 1 year subscription, it was 1250 earlier per month, 1250 per month for unlimited classes. But now again you have huge discount, so do avail this discount. The price will come reduce even more. And also if you're going for iconic subscription, in iconic subscription you will have personal mentor, one personal mentor dedicated to you. You will have one-to-one doubt clearing sessions. You will have study planner given to you, schedule given to you. You will have PTMs, parent teacher meeting. So for all these extra features along with unlimited classes of plus, so the price is 2333 without discount per month. If you apply this 20% discount, so the price would be very less. So don't wait till the offer ends. It's a limited period offer, so do avail this offer. It has started today, 18 September, right? And to avail the discount you can use this code DMM. Now if you are preparing for your IIT or your higher level courses, you need lot of preparation. Only textbook will not work. So here on Unacademy, you will get extra questions preparation, like higher level question preparation, which is very helpful for your NTSC also, and also for your Olympiads. And not only this, it will help you to prepare for your future IIT exams also. Okay, so on a whole, it's a very good offer which you will get right now if you are availing it. So it's a limited period offer. Again, repeating, do avail it right now. And the prices are very less. If you can see here, these are the prices per month without discount for all the subjects. For all the subjects, and you can avail this huge discount now. Hurry up, and the code is DMM. So, and I will give you the link of this, okay, the pricing page link in the description. You can go through it. And these are my special classes. You can attend my special classes which are completely free of cost. All the special class link also I'll give you in the description box. You can enroll for it using the code DMM. And here are the plus classes. Every month you have new batches coming up, so you can join all the new batches and you'll have lot of revision, and you will get to know a lot of new questions which will help you to prepare for the competitive world. Okay, so these are few batches which have started in the month of September. So MCQ batch, one shot revision batch, and master batch, prime batch for all the subjects, term 1 batch, full syllabus batch. And you can use the code DMM as I told you to avail the extra special discount. And here it is, Unacademy Emerge is a free test which you can attend to prepare well for your board exams. So every Saturday, Sunday we are conducting this free test. Saturday you will have your science and Sunday you will have your maths test. Timings are 5 to 6:30. Don't forget to attend this test. You will get to know a lot of important questions relevant to your class 10 board examination, and also these questions will help you to prepare for the future classes too, right? And you can use the code DMM to enroll for this test. It's completely free, and the link I will give you in the description box. So do enroll for Unacademy Emerge. Even class 12 students can enroll. So if you have any of your brothers or sisters studying in class 12, do share this information with them also. This is their timetable and the code is DMM, right? Chalo, let's proceed to the next question now. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So here, let me firstly expand this. So kx into x is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So comparing it with the general term, general form ax square plus bx plus c, I have a is k. Here in the place of a, I have k. Okay. Yes, in the place of a, you have k, x square coefficient. B is x coefficient minus 2k, c is constant 6. Now, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0 because our roots are real and equal. Okay, so discriminant has to be equal to 0 since it is given that they are equal roots. Clear till here? Now, let us proceed further. So, b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6. This has to be equal to 0. So, minus 2k whole square is 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Or let us transpose minus 24k to the other side. You will have 4k square equals to 24k. So now I can just take k values together. So, or here itself we can actually take 4 common. 4k common. Have a look here. I can actually take 4k common here. I'll write it here. So from these two terms I can take 4k common. So here what is remaining? Only 1k will remain, and here you will have 4 6 are 24. So now I can equate 4k to 0, or I can equate k minus 6 to 0. Okay. So if 4k is 0, then k value will be 0. But k cannot be 0, because if k is 0, then this x square coefficient will be 0. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And do you remember, a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a is equal to 0, then this quadratic equation becomes bx plus c. It becomes a linear equation. Okay, it remains no more quadratic. So that is the reason we always take the condition a is not 0. That means x square coefficient is not 0. So here x square coefficient here in this case is k. So k equal to 0 is not the answer, because k cannot be equal to 0. So k equal to 6 is the correct answer. Okay, let us proceed to the next question now. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth? So there is a rectangular mango groove whose length, this is length and this is breadth. So length is twice its breadth. Suppose breadth, if I am taking it as x. Okay, so let us write, let the breadth I am taking it as x. So length is how much? Length is twice the breadth. Twice breadth means 2 times breadth. Breadth is x. So length is 2x. Clear? Now the area is given as 800. Area of rectangle. This is a rectangular mango groove. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length you have taken it as 2x and breadth you have taken it as x, and the area is given as 800. It is given in the question. So 800 is equal to 4x square you have, right? 800 equal to 4x square you have. Now transpose this 4 to the other side. You will have x square is equal to 800 divided by 4. So x square equal to 800 divided by 4 is 200. X is equal to, you will get plus or minus root over, is it 200? Have a look here. So this is 2 here actually, right? Here 2x square, this is right. So you will get it as, chalo, 2x into x is 2x square. Okay, so 800 divided by 2 you will have now. 800 divided by 2 is 400. So x will be plus or minus root 400. X is equal to plus or minus root 400 is nothing but 20. But x is nothing but breadth. Okay, x is breadth. Breadth cannot be negative. So you will take x as 20. Right? Now if breadth is 20, what is length? Length is 2 times breadth, isn't it? So 2 times breadth you got it as 20. So length will be 40. So length is 40 meter and breadth is 20 meters. This is the final answer. Right? Let us move on to the next question. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, the sum of age of two friends is 20 years. Suppose the two friends are A and B. The sum of their ages is 20 years. If I am taking A's age as X, okay, what is B's age then? B age will be 20 minus X, isn't it? So let one friend's age, I am taking it as X. So other friend's age will be 20 minus X. Did you all get this? Okay. So now the next condition given is 4 years ago. 4 years ago. So when I was teaching you linear equations word problem, I explained to you here. 4 years ago means you will take present age minus 4 years. Okay. So present age is X. Now 4 years ago the first friend age will be, okay, the first friend age will be x minus 4. And the second friend age, present age is 20 minus x. 4 years ago, his age will be 20 minus x minus 4. So it will be 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. Clear till here? Now see the next condition given to you. The product of their ages is 48 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48. So if I am multiplying the age of first friend into second friend, the product is 48. So 4 years ago, the friend's age is x minus 4 and 16 minus x. So the product I have to take. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. Let me write the statement here again. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. So now let us multiply x into 16 minus x and minus 4 into 16 minus x. So you will get it as 48. So x into 16 is 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x. Just I am multiplying using distributive property. Okay. So now what is the final value you get here? Minus x square. 16x plus 4x is plus 20x minus 64. This 48 I am transposing to the other side. You will get minus 48 equal to 0. So now have a look what we can do here finally. Minus x square plus 20x and 64, 48 both are negative. So adding, how much do we get here? 112 minus 112 equal to 0. Or if I take minus common, I'll have x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation you got. So before finding the zeros of the quadratic equation, let us see if we can find, before finding the roots, that is the solution of this quadratic equation. If you find the solution of this quadratic equation, that means you'll get x value, which is you'll get the friend's age. And from this you can get the second friend's age. So firstly, let us see if we can find the age or not. If we can solve this or not. Okay. So I am taking a is 1, x square coefficient, and b is minus 20, x coefficient, and c is 112. Right. So now here let us find b square minus 4ac value. So it is minus 20 whole square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 112. So how much are we getting here? This is 400 minus 4 into 112 will be 448. Now this is minus 48, it's a negative value. Just now we have discussed, I re-discussed here when I was teaching you the first one. I told you if the discriminant is less than 0, that last case, if discriminant is less than 0, you cannot find the roots. That means you cannot find the solution. There is no real solution. So, which means I cannot solve this question further, and we can conclude that therefore the situation which is given in the question is wrong. Okay. So, therefore this situation cannot happen. You can conclude that this situation is not possible, right? Because you cannot find the value of this, and the age has to be a real value, right? So it cannot be imaginary. So we have discussed that if discriminant is less than 0, you will get imaginary roots, which you will learn in your intermediate class 11. But here, since you are learning only real numbers, age should be a real number. It has to be a real positive number, right? So here there's no possibility of this equation getting a real number answer. So you say that this situation is not possible. So the question given has to be modified, right? So let us proceed to the next problem, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park? So you have a rectangular park of perimeter is given as 80 meter and area is given as 400 meter square. Is it possible? So perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B. This is given as 80 meter. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Area is length into breadth. This is given as 400. If I take length as x, then what is breadth? Breadth is 400 divided by x. Right. So we are taking length as x. So breadth is 400 divided by x. Let us substitute these two here. So it is 2 times length is x plus breadth is 400 divided by x. This is nothing but 80. Let us take LCM now. So 2 times x square plus 400 divided by x equal to 80. Let me transpose this x to the other side. I'll have 2 times x square plus 400 is equal to 80 into x, and let us transpose this 2 also to the other side. You will have divided by 2. Okay, this 2 also I'm just taking it to the other side. So now finally what do we have here? See, so I can write x square plus 400 is equal to 40x. Let us transpose 40x to the other side. You will have x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now you have to find the value here. So x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. This is the equation you got, quadratic equation. Now, let us firstly find b square minus 4ac value. So, they are asking you, is it possible? So, we shall see if discriminant is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then it is possible. If it is less than 0, like in the previous question, it is not possible. Okay. So, discriminant here, a value is 1, x square coefficient, b is minus 40, c is 400. So, b square is minus 40 whole square, minus 4a and c. So, how much are you getting here? Minus 40 whole square is 1600 minus 4 into 4 is 16 and you have 1600. So, here discriminant is equal to 0 you are getting, which means your x value will be same. You will have equal roots, right? So, let us substitute in the quadratic equation formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is equal to minus b value is 40 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac, you got it as 0 here, divided by 2 into a is 1. So that is minus of minus 40 is plus 40 divided by 2. Now this plus or minus root 0 becomes 0. So the final answer is 20 you are getting. So x value I am getting it as 20. But x is nothing but breadth. So therefore breadth is 20. Now what is length? See here. Okay, x is, we have taken it as length. X we have taken it as length. Okay, so I am writing here. X we have taken it as length. So length is 20. So breadth will be how much? Breadth will be 400 divided by x. That is 400 divided by x is 20. So breadth also is 20. Length is 20. Breadth is also 20. So if length and breadth are equal, here in this case length and breadth are equal. Now will it be a rectangle or will it be a square? So here let us write the final comment here. So therefore here length is equal to breadth is equal to 20. So the given situation can be applicable or is applicable for square. Okay, in the given situation, if you apply these conditions, you will get a square. So now the entire exercise 8.1, we were dealing with nature of fruits and using quadratic formula to solve. And we even got situations where the solution is not possible, and that we found out after taking discriminant value. Right? So I hope you understood the explanation, and if yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share this channel with all your friends, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.